We haven't heard from our contractor in over 2 weeks. There were 3 skids of blocks still blocking the driveway. So son-in-law and I brought them down to the back to clear the driveway away. There's 144 blocks here. Took us about an hour to bring them down. And we still don't know if our contractor is going to come back. Hopefully he will. If not, I would say we're probably in trouble. I will attempt to finish the wall with the help of son-in-law. And we'll go from there.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.